How to create PDF on WPS Office app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video, and in today's video I'll show you how can you create PDF on WPS Office. To create PDF on WPS Office, you just have to follow the simple steps. So for that, first thing first, you want to go ahead and open up your Play Store and check whether the WPS Office is updated or not. So type in WPS and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. After which, click the open button and then log into your WPS Office app. Once you're logged into your account, this is how it will look like. So here, what you want to do is just go back to the home page, and then you could see at the bottom of the page there is this create section. You just have to go ahead and click on it. As soon as you do it, there is this drop down menu. So from there you want to click on PDF. As you do it, so you'll be able to see whether you want to create blank note PDF or maybe document PDF, whatever. Select it accordingly. I'm going to go ahead and create blank note PDF, so I'm going to go ahead and select this option. Now select what sort of font you like or style you like. I'm going to go with the blank and click on new file. Now you want to go ahead and click on the option that's available, so you could just go ahead and click on new file after you're done selecting it. Now type in your document, whatever that you want, and then save it as PDF. So that's the way you can create PDF on WPS Office. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.